Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your TV supports Internet, Wi-Fi, or Ethernet, and noting its firmware version. Once done, power cycle the router to clear transient errors, then plug an Ethernet cable if you prefer wired speed. If you choose wireless, open the TV settings, go to Network, and select your SSID. Enter the password carefully. Make sure capitalization and special characters match. This immediate sequence gets you online and ready for app setup and streaming. Now you set up accounts and apps. You sign into the TV operating system with your account so purchases and app data sync. Next, open the App Store, install streaming and utility apps, then update them. Permission prompts matter, so allow network and storage access. For more stable playback, make sure DHCP is working. If you need consistency, set a static IP or custom DNS in network settings. Once apps are installed, test playback on one app to verify connectivity and speed. To finish, you update the TV firmware and any installed apps. Enabling auto updates avoids future incompatibilities. Then secure your home network with WPA2 or WPA3 and set parental controls or screen time limits if needed. Once optimized, check streaming quality and audio sync. If something goes wrong, the quickest fix is to restart the TV and router. If that fails, switch to Ethernet. Forget the Wi-Fi network on the TV and reconnect, or reset network settings. That single troubleshooting step resolves most connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.